Hi guys, in today's lesson, let us see how we can divide decimals by decimals, okay? Sometimes you have these kind of numbers and you are asked to divide, okay? And you don't have a calculator, all right? So watch and see how we divide these numbers, okay? So from here, solution, we always put solution because there must be solution, okay? So you remember your long division sign. This is called the divisor, okay? And this is your dividend, okay? So your divisor should be what? Outside. And your dividend inside, okay? 3. All right? So before you divide, you make the divisor a whole number, all right? How do we make this a whole number? You move one time, okay, to the right. You move the decimal point one time to the right, okay? This becomes what? 15, okay? This becomes 15. As you move one time to the right, also do the same to the what? Dividend. So your point should be here, okay? So this becomes 336.3. So this is now your new question, okay? So from here, we can now divide, all right? Remember, when you have number more than this, that you are going to move like 2 decimal places to make the divisor a whole number, you do the same thing to the what? Dividend, 2 decimal places to the right also, okay? So from here, how many times does 15 go into 3? It's not possible. So we add 6, okay? This becomes 36. How many times does 15 go into 36? We have 2 times, okay? So you put it on top of, okay? Top of 6, not here, all right? Because you have done that, okay? Take note of your decimal point, move it up to this place, all right? So from here, 2 times 15 will give you what? 30, okay? Then we subtract. When you subtract, you have 6, and here is 0, okay? So you don't need to write 0 because it's 0, okay? So you leave it like this, okay? So you go again. After your decimal point, you have 3, all right? You bring down your 3, okay? Bring down the 3. So this becomes what? 63. You use 15 to divide, okay? So 63 divided by 15. How many times? We have 4 times, okay? 4 times, all right? So this 4 times 15 will give you what? 60, okay? Then you subtract. When you subtract, you have 3, then this is 0, okay? We don't need to write it, all right? So from here, how many times does 15 go into 3? It's not possible. Because it's not possible, okay, but we need to continue the division, all right? We add 0 here. Remember, no matter how many numbers of 0 you will add, this will not change this number, okay? Because we have decimal here, okay? It's the same thing as 36.3. If you continue adding, it's the same thing as 36.3. All right? So from here, we add only 1 0, okay? So we bring down the 0, all right? So this becomes 30, okay? How many times does 15 go into 30? Okay, you have 2, all right? 2 times 15, you have 30, okay? Then when you subtract, you see that we have 0, all right? So when you divide 3.63, okay, by 1.5, your result is what? 2.42. So this is how to solve this kind of problem. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.